Hello, today we are going over chapter 1.2b, properties of real numbers. Properties of addition and multiplication with real numbers. The various properties of the operations of addition and multiplication with real numbers are summarized here. These properties are used throughout algebra and mathematics in developing formulas and general concepts. For real numbers a, b, and c. For addition, we have the commutative property a plus b equals b plus a, which there's an example here with numbers. 4 plus 2 equals 2 plus 4. These are both the same. They both equal 6. The associative property states that a plus b plus c is the same as b plus c plus a. So 6 plus 3 equals 9, plus 5 equals 14 is the same thing as 8 plus 6. Here we have identity. A plus 0 equals 0 plus a equals a. 10 plus 0 equals 0 plus 10 equals 10. The inverse property, a plus negative a equals 0, so 15 plus negative 15 equals 0. For multiplication, these properties are pretty much exactly the same, except for the exception of the identity property. So anything multiplied by a negative number in multiplication is going to be negative. And the inverse property is saying that a times 1 over a equals 1, for a is not equal to 0. So 4 times 1 over 4 equals 1 because the denominator cancels out. Zero factor law states that a times 0 equals 0 times a equals 0. So negative 2 times 0 equals 0. Equals 0 times negative 2 equals 0. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. This is my favorite property. So what we do is we take a, times it by b, take a, times it by c. So 2x plus 4 equals 2 times x plus 2 times 4. Number 0 is called the additive identity because when 0 is added to a number, the result is the same number. Likewise, number 1 is called the multiplicative identity because when 1 is multiplied by a number, the result is the same number. Also, the additive inverse of the number a is its opposite, negative a. The multiplicative inverse of a non-zero number a is its reciprocal, 1 over a. Tell which property justifies each statement. You can pause here and review these if you like. Subtraction is not commutative, so a minus b is not equal to b minus a. So 6 minus 2 is not equal to 2 minus 6 because 6 minus 2 equals 4 and 2 minus 6 equals negative 4. We all know that 4 is not equal to negative 4. Subtraction is not associative, so b minus c minus a is not equal to a minus b minus c. So 10 minus 2 is not the same as 5 minus 3. Because 10 minus 5 minus 3 minus 10 equals 10 minus 2 equals 8. And 10 minus 5 minus 3 equals 5 minus 3 equals 2. And 8 is not equal to 2. Division is not commutative, so a divided by b is not equal to b divided by a. Again, you can pause here if you'd like to review these examples. Division is not associative. So b divided by c divided by a is not equal to a divided by b divided by c. So 2 divided by 24 is not equal to 24 divided by 4 divided by 2. And and we have 6 divided by 2 equals 3, and 12 is not equal to 3. The number 0 is the only real number that does not have a reciprocal. We say that 1 divided by 0 is undefined. To help an understanding this idea, suppose that 1 over 0 equals x. In this case, we would need to have 1 equals 0 times x, but this is not possible because by the zero factor law, 0 times x equals 0 for all real values of x. Therefore, 1 over 0 is undefined. There are two basic properties related to inequalities or order with real numbers. You may have seen these properties before. The trichotometry property, trichotomy, let me see, trichotomy property. Exactly one of the following is true. A is less than B, A equals B, or A is greater than B. Transitive property, if A is less than B and B is less than C, then A is less than C. The transitive property also applies to greater than equal to, and less than equal to as well. You can pause here if you'd like to review these examples. And that is the end of chapter 1.2b.